black stuff now.
Ay na, wala pa tayong panggapatos. Kapag ka hindi nagbigay, pag di nagbigay, platin mo lahat. Wait lang. Itanong mo na lang ulit pag nakita mo.
So,
Good morning,
come. Oopsie, I accidentally pressed it. Okay.
Anong boss?
I like that chair. Ooh, listen. Ooh. Okay, son, I'm gonna go shopping. Okay, Dad. Okay.
Bukas araw talagang ganun.
Wait, what is that? That's the...
Sige na. Inom ka na dyan.
Exciting.
Sige na.
Exciting.
Sunod ka lang.
Trying to play.
Yan.
This will be my food tonight. Oh, my pain. No, my nail. Oh, now it's back.
Tapos mama sa birthday ni James, mag-iinom kami. Okay lang. Pero ano yun? May swimming pool. Okay lang. Sa Limay, may garden.
Dad, what are you doing on the floor? Oh, son, we're just cheating. Yeah, what? Hey, where's Dad? I never see him. Let me go inside and look at him.
Nak! Ganyan ka na?
Di pa. Nahirapan ako eh.
Wala akong magpalit yan sa'yo. Na!
Wait.
Kaya mo yun. Sige, play ko lang.
Lobat ako? Di ko ginagamit.
Okay. This is good.
Take ano?